Hi. What you doing? Hi, my name is Sophia. This is my auntie Shido.
I'm Shido too. I'm Nelly.
And this is my dad, Eric. This is Sylvia's first episode with Cooking with Sylvia.
So me too.
So this is the first episode of Cooking with Sylvia. So I have my niece Sophia here, my brother Eric, and my bestie Nelly.
Your brother Eric is weird.
What's your dad? Alright, so today we're gonna be making chicken and waffles with the twist. So we're gonna make honey barbecue chicken wings and sweet red chili chicken wings with Oreo waffles and fruity pebble waffles.
Yum! I can't wait to try the Oreo ones. I heard they're delicious.
Alright guys, we have our party chicken wings already washed with vinegar and water, and now we're gonna season it.
Heaven Boy on the track. Heaven Boy on the track.
Now that we seasoned the chicken, we're gonna put it on our rack. I already preheated the oven to 450 degrees. The chicken is gonna cook for 45 minutes, and then halfway of the 45 minutes, we're just gonna turn it over. So it's gonna bake.
Heaven Boy on the track.
I'm starving, so I can't help it with that hard.
Why? You can't help me cook anymore?
Nope.
Why?
I'm done.
You're tired?
No.
You gave up? Okay guys, so the chicken is done. It's been 45 minutes. They are nice and crispy. I put honey barbecue on half of it and then sweet red chili on the other half and just toss it in, and then put it back in the oven for about 4 minutes, just so the sauce can like soak in there.
Heaven Boy on the track.
Let's just get the whole fam band here. Introducing the newest member of the cooking show is Josh. Well, the final step is to make the syrup. So it's really easy. 3 ingredients. I take regular Aunt Jemima syrup, put it inside a bowl. I I mix it with some powdered sugar and then some vanilla extract, and then this gives it a whitish color, like a cream color, and it tastes very, very nice. So it's, instead of maple syrup, it turns into like a vanilla type of syrup. There's no measurement for the powdered sugar, you just put it in until you're satisfied. So I put in a little bit at a time, mix it in.
Baking soda. I got baking soda. That's all I think about.
And then I'm just gonna add
Vanilla extract, right?
yeah, I just added a little cupful of vanilla extract. Alright guys, so we're all set. Now it's time to plate our food and put everything together.
Whoop, whoop.
Heaven Boy on the track.
Thank you guys for tuning into the first episode of Cooking with Sil. I hope you guys enjoy this. If you are second guessing this mixture, you have to make it because it tastes so freaking bomb. I need a new family.
You ready?
Alright guys.
You trying it?
We're about to dig in. Yay! Finally! This was a teamwork.
Set, go.
Okay, let's get it.
It's really good.
This is fire.
It's really good.
You want some?
Yo, the sweetness of the
That
waffle.
joint is fire. Put it together too.
Yes.
Set it all up too.
Yo,
The sweet chili sauce.
it's bomb, right?
Yes. Real
It's
good.
bomb.
My first time trying it, y'all. It's good.
bomb.
Let me try the
Try
other.
the sweet
But
chili
try it,
sauce.
it's bomb. That's my favorite. And then when you mix it with the waffle,
It's good.
I already tried.
See you in the next video.